Davidsons Homes. At Davidsons Homes, we know that every drop and every penny counts. That's why every home we build comes fitted with smart water-saving technology, helping you cut down on water waste and reduce your bills. From efficient taps and showers to water-saving toilets, our homes are designed to help you save effortlessly, without compromising on comfort. Your home is now equipped with state-of-the-art Hansgrohe taps featuring CoolStart technology, a smart system designed to save energy automatically and effortlessly. Unlike traditional taps that activate your boiler even when you simply turn on the tap, the Hansgrohe CoolStart tap is engineered for efficiency. In its resting position, the tap is set to deliver only cold water. This means your water heater remains inactive, preventing unnecessary energy use. When you need to wash your hands, a gentle lift of the control lever immediately releases cold water, exactly when you need it. With a simple adjustment of the lever to the left, the tap seamlessly blends in hot water on demand. This precise control ensures that energy is used only when required, avoiding the energy waste that occurs with standard taps and reducing both your energy consumption and costs. At Davidsons Homes, we believe innovation and sustainability should be at the heart of every detail. With a Davidsons home, you're not just buying a house, you're investing in a smarter, more efficient future. Lower bills, greater comfort, and a sustainable way of living. It all starts here. Davidsons Homes. Built for the future. Designed for you.